And there you have it. You now possess the most powerful and important tools available to help you take back control of your mind. To recap, practice meditation to learn to calm your mind and shut out concerns. Learn to meditate on the move and to escape your stresses at will. Try guided meditation if you struggle. Make your environment and routine more interesting. Take up sports and start entering flow. Stop letting things distract you. Have a morning routine. Spend some time away from the phone. Learn to use mindfulness to make notes of your thoughts. Use CBT and cognitive restructuring to develop healthier responses to situations. Practice gratitude. Overcome your fears. Enter flow and focus at will. Now you don't need to change your environment because you can change the way that you want to feel about it. Do you want to be stressed and angry or happy and inspired? It's a choice. And once you can do that, you can stop reacting to life and start controlling it. Now you can make life the way you want it to be. It all just takes a little focus.